The Assam-Mizoram border remains tense after police forces of the two states had clashed. The CRPF is now deployed along this border area. They've taken over the disputed police posts. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has asserted that his government will not allow encroachment of his state's land, according to him, by Mizoram.
A 150-year-old festering border feud flaring up. A deadly clash erupting from the long-standing Assam-Mizoram border dispute. Shocking images of a gory blood fight come to fore at the disputed border point, claimed by both states since 19th century. At least 5 Assam policemen were butchered by suspected goons and alleged policemen from Mizoram after a spate of gun battle when Assam cops went to the no man's land. Both states blamed each other for triggering the deadly clashes. India Today was the first to reach the clash site, locally known as Lailapur, on the Assam-Mizoram border, which is now being patrolled by the CRPF troops to maintain peace.
इस वक्त करीब 5 कंपनी ऑलरेडी उस जगह को अपने कब्जे में लिए हुए। महानिरीक्षक जोरहाट ऑफ सेक्टर, उप महानिरीक्षक सिलचर रेंज एवं उप महानिरीक्षक अगरतला रेंज समेत सीआरपीएफ के वरिष्ठ अधिकारी घटनास्थल पर हैं और शांति बनाए हेतु लगातार प्रयास कर रहे हैं। स्थिति अभी वहां पर शांतिपूर्ण है।
Many of the injured showed bullet wounds and injuries sustained in the deadly clashes.
उन लोग पोजीशन ले लिया और एक टाइम में उन लोग अचानक से हमला कर दिया और ये अचानक हमला से हमारा असम ऑफिशियल और असम का पुलिस कोई भी तैयार नहीं था।
वहाँ से मेजू लोग फायरिंग किया था कल, अचानक से फायरिंग किया था उन लोग, मेरे सामने था एकदम। तो फायरिंग जब हुआ हम लोग भाग के आए इधर, बहुत रिक्स वाला उन लोग ज़्यादा फायरिंग किया था, स्नाइपर से फायरिंग किया था।
हमारा सिविलियन भी बहुत जख्म हुआ और हमारा पुलिस के जवान तो शहीद हो गए, पता चला सबको।
I am standing at the location where violent clashes took place between Mizoram police and Assam police yesterday. Even as a political fight has broken out between the two states, an uneasy climb prevails at this spot, which is now being manned by the CRPF personnel.
While the centre mounted vigil and launched peace bid, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma paid tribute to the slain cops and visited the injured, recuperating at Silchar Hospital.
If tomorrow on the video that comes that Assam police is firing at some innocent people and some people file high court, we have to reply. The way now Mizoram has to reply when we are going to file that petition in Supreme Court. So we started talking from 11:30 till 4:45, and during the day Home Minister Amit Shah has called both of us not less than 4 times. Then he said that tum log dono baat karo, fir we were talking. Then we decided on an agreement that this will be the agreement. Then suddenly firing comes. But khali moi Ahomor Raijok etue janabo khoju je we have not backtracked. Our people may have died, but we are there, we are solidly there, we are defending our constitutional boundary as long this is our boundary.
Himanta earlier had a Twitter face-off with his Mizoram counterpart over who began the fatal transgression. The Assam Chief Minister also tweeted a video claiming that slaying of Assam cops was celebrated by Mizoram policemen. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi blamed Home Minister Amit Shah, accusing him of sowing hatred and distrust. Congress has formed a 7-member committee to assess the situation on ground and submit its report to Sonia Gandhi.
It is absolutely disappointing to see that when the conflict is live and shots are being exchanged, the two chief ministers, instead of resolving this immediately over a phone call, took to Twitter. This shows this government, the BJP government, only exists on Twitter.
While Prime Minister Modi was briefed on the situation, Home Minister Amit Shah is also taking stock.
From Northeast MPs Forum also, we do appeal both the people of Assam and people of Mizoram to maintain peace, harmony. We must
stand united. We should not be divided.
Assam has declared a 3-day state mourning over the deaths of policemen. The national flag will fly at half-mast and there will be no public entertainment.
Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma says that it is the duty of his government to protect reserve forest land. Even after Union Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to the Chief Ministers of Mizoram and Assam, the war of words continues between both of them. With camera person